Hi, Mommy. Happy 50th birthday. Say happy 50th birthday, Grandma. Naka-apo jud taon ka sa imong 50th birthday. Enjoy your birthday, Mommy. I know memorable nini mga birthday kay naay mo kang siblings, ubang relatives. And I'm sorry, mo jud taon ni first birthday nga wala ko sa imuha. Pero enjoy gyapon nimong birthday. I know mahappy ra ka ana. And I wish for you good health. Stay safe always. Take care imuhang self. I know si kag take care sa amo at tanan, bisag na ako dinhi, sige gyapon kag pangamusta. Pero take care pod imong self kay 50 na ra ba ka. And I hope more birthday